Welcome to GVE London. I'm Tom Turner, our client account manager, and I cannot wait to share with you our latest car in stock. It's arguably one of the most iconic cars ever made, and you may well recognise it from the well-known James Bond films Thunderball, Goldfinger and GoldenEye. So, without further ado, please allow me to introduce you to the Aston Martin DB5. This car has been for a full restoration and is finished in silver birch with the black leather interior. It's also fitted with the original 4-litre straight-six engine, putting out 282 brake horsepower and reaching a top speed of 145 miles an hour. More than enough to deal with any villains out there. So, if you'd like to find out more about our DB5, then please click the link below.